Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got something super special for all you aspiring website owners out there. If you've been thinking about creating your own stunning website, but hesitated due to budget constraints, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get an exclusive discount on Squarespace, the ultimate platform for building beautiful websites. Whether you're a small business owner, an artist, a vlogger, or just someone who wants to showcase their creativity online, Squarespace has got you covered. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, gorgeous templates, and powerful features, you can bring your vision to life in no time. And the best part? As a first-time user, you can now get a whopping discount of up to 30% off your Squarespace subscription. If you are a student, you can get a 50% discount on your first year of Squarespace. To qualify for this discount, you will need to verify your student status with Squarespace. But wait, that's not all. To avail this incredible discount, all you need to do is click the link in the video description below. Yes, it's that simple. Once you're there, you'll find a coupon code that you can enter during checkout to unlock your exclusive savings. Trust me, it's a deal you won't want to miss. Now let me tell you why Squarespace is the perfect choice for your website. Not only does it offer stunning and customizable templates, but it also provides a seamless mobile experience. With more and more people accessing the internet on their smartphones, having a mobile-friendly website is absolutely essential. Squarespace ensures that your website looks and functions flawlessly on any device, so you can reach your audience wherever they are. And don't just take my word for it. Countless individuals and businesses have achieved great success using Squarespace. Just take a look at these amazing websites created by real users. From e-commerce stores to portfolios and blogs, Squarespace has empowered people all around the world to turn their dreams into reality. Still not convinced? Well, Squarespace is so confident in their platform that they offer a 14-day free trial. That's right, you can try out all the features and see for yourself how Squarespace can transform your online presence. It's risk-free and gives you the opportunity to explore the vast potential of their tools and templates. So if you're ready to take your website to the next level and save up to 30% on your Squarespace subscription, click the link in the video description right now. Don't wait. Start building the website of your dreams today with Squarespace. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.